ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learner, in this lesson, we will discuss another alveolar sound that is produced with the airflow through nose when alveolar ridge and tongue touch each other. We call it nasal sound. Let's begin. When the tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge, the gum area just behind the upper front teeth, while the air flows out through the nose, making
na
sound. The vocal cords vibrate with this sound. Let's apply short vowels pattern on it. Short vowels pattern is called harakat, meaning movements.
na ne no
Dear learners, now come to long vowels pattern.
a na I ni u nu.
Whale is called noon in Arabic language. Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.